What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Rehab, and I want to welcome y'all back to another video, you know what I'm saying? So check this out. I be seeing a lot of posts, and I get a lot of comments on this subject. I be seeing a lot of people having problems with this, right? And the problem is, it's unyellowing translucent soles. So I'm gonna show y'all in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how the correct way to clean your translucent soles. I'm gonna show y'all what not to use, to clean your translucent soles, and what not to put on your translucent soles when you go to put it in the box. I'm gonna talk a little bit on it about box power because I already did a video on box power. I show you how to set up your box and everything. So I'm gonna put a little link up here at the top, the way you can click it if you need to know how to set your box up. I'm gonna put the link up here. Go watch that video so you can see how to set your box up. Let's get to this video. Now, the things that you would need to clean your outsoles is you're gonna need a cleaner. This is the detailer. Me and my team had created this. If you want a bottle, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Go ahead on, get y'all a bottle. And if y'all got y'all own cleaner, use y'all cleaner. So you're gonna need your soap, your sneaker soap. Next thing you're gonna need is your a wire bristle brush. Now, when it comes to outsoles, this is the best thing to use to cleaning your outsole because you're going to get the best cleaning with a wire bristle brush. And the cons to these is that when they get old, these little wires start breaking loose and they get in your clothes and they be poking you. And if you don't clean them or take care of them, they can rust out. So that's the only cons that these have. But when it comes to cleaning the outsoles, this is the best to use. So you can go to Harbor Freight, you can go to Lowe's. So the next thing you're gonna need is glide mops. Now, what is glide mops? It's Q-tips, but they have a point to them. You can get these off of Amazon. So I'm gonna drop a link in the description below for these glide mops, the way you can just go straight to it and go get them. And with these glide mops this is what we're gonna use to clean every crack in your outsole. And the next thing you're gonna use is acetone. So when we get to once we get to the part of the acetone, I'm gonna let y'all know what this is for. So let's get to the cleaning part of this video, and that's where I can show y'all how to use these tools on your outsoles to unyellow them. Now, what I forgot to tell y'all is that you will need a hot bowl of water, right? I know a lot of people use cold water, but hot water is the best to clean your translucent soles, your outsoles. Really, I clean everything with hot water. I just don't clean colors with hot water. Because hot water fades color. But I use hot water because it helps remove the dirt from the outsoles way easier. So that's why I use hot water. So let's go ahead on. Let's start cleaning this shoe. And once we finish cleaning this shoe, then we're gonna go and we're gonna put them in the box. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm not gonna do to these shoes that I see everybody do. So let's get to it. So now the next thing we're gonna use is these Glide mops. We're gonna use the Glide mops, and we're gonna use acetone, right? So acetone is just giving it an extra clean to your shoes, right? So as you can see, like after I clean with the wire bristle brush, as you can see, I still got dirt all in the cracks, right? So when it comes to cleaning your translucent soles, you want to get as much dirt out of your translucent soles for your box, the light in your box to shine through these. Because if you have dirt in your translucent sole, guess what? Guess what it's doing to the light? It's blocking it, right? And that's another reason why a lot of y'all have problem unyellowing soles, because you're not cleaning your outsoles properly. So you wanna take out all the dirt. I mean, in the cracks, everywhere. Just clean it. Give it a thorough cleaning on your shoes to where when that light hit these things, guess what? Man, them lights gonna be bouncing through these things and clearing out your soles. So let's get to it and let's get this cleaning done. Now look at how clean that is. See that? No dirt in the cracks. It's all clean. So now when that box light hit these, man, they going through them soles. You know what I'm saying? That's why you want to make sure your outsole is thoroughly clean so that light power in your box can work. Look at that. So now the next thing we're going to do is, and I want to tell y'all, I apologize again because I forgot to show this too. We're going to need some cotton balls. So let's open this because this is a fresh pack. So now what I use for these cotton balls is I take the acetone with these cotton balls and I go just to and rub it all over the shoe, you know, just to get excess dirt that I couldn't get off with the wire brush, like the little dirt I couldn't get off with the wire brush. I take the acetone and I go over the whole shoe just to, you know, to give it that extra cleaning on the outsoles. So let's go ahead on and get that done. So after you clean your shoes with the acetone, right? Go back, clean it with soap and water. Clean your shoes again with soap and water. I didn't do it on the video because I don't know, it didn't make sense to me to just show the cleaning with the soap and water again on the shoes. So let me show y'all the difference after cleaning. Look at that. This the other shoe. Big difference. Big difference. You gotta thoroughly clean them. You gotta clean these things good for you to unoxidize your shoes, right? So now let's get to this part that I wanted to get to. Now notice, is one thing I did not show in this video. And guess what that is? 40 volume or your sole sauces are UV active soaps. I cleaned this regular with a regular cleaning solution and just the way I clean shoes. The reason why you don't need 40 volume is because, yeah, it help unyellow your soles, but 40 volume cause problems. Sole sauce cause problems. 40 volume and sole sauce cause problems to your outsoles. They slick out your translucent soles. One, when you they come back, the translucent soles, they come back 3 times harder, which I mean they come back 3 times yellow than when you got them. And the third thing is they will harden up like glass and they will start cracking. If you constantly using sole sauce or 40 volume on your shoes, it will cause damage. And another reason why I don't like using sole sauce is if you get that sole sauce or 40 volume on any material on your uppers like colors and all that, guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna bleach it. So if you don't want to mess up a pair of shoes, stay away from it. You don't need it. If you have the right amount of wattage in your box, so in your box you need from 1,000 on up to clear these soles out. You don't need 40 volume or you don't need a UV active soap. So and UV active soap is just you're spraying it on your shoes and you're cleaning it with your shoes, and they're saying that the soap is UV active, so it's just gonna brighten up under the light and clear your soles out. A lie. It's not true. Because when you're cleaning it with your shoes, you wiping all that off anyway. You're wiping it completely off. So all you need is box power and a good cleaning on your soles, and you will clear them out. So let's go ahead on and put these in the box. So if y'all watch setting up the box power, your box, your UV box, y'all already seen my box. But if you didn't, this is my box. All right, so what you don't see on these shoes, I don't saran wrap, I don't do none of that. These shoes get placed in the box just like this. Just like that. You don't need sole sauce, UV active soap, just a good cleaning and box power. And guess what? You will clear your soles out. You will clear them out. And that is how you clear your translucent soles. Man, y'all check it out, you heard me? Check them out. Check them out. Man, let me know how I did, bro. Let me know how I did. You know what I'm saying? They looking good now. Yeah. Let me stop playing. But look, check this out though. If you clean your translucent soles the way I showed you, and you have the right amount of box power in your box, you don't need 40 volume. You don't need a UV active soap. Just clean them the way I showed you how to clean them. Put them in your box, and guess what? Bada boom, bada bing, bada bang. So that is how you unyellow your translucent soles. If this video helped you, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment. You know, if you want know any questions, if you want to see me do something that you need help on, let me know. I'll make a video on it. And y'all go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. So, and that's your video. I'm your boy, Mr. Rehab. Man, and it's time for me to get on out of here, you heard me? And I'm out. Peace.